how to create account in Western Union. First, open your web browser and go to www.westernunion.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on the sign up button in the top right corner. Now fill out the registration form with your details, then provide a valid email address. Now create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you have filled the form, you can choose either to verify with your number or verify your account with email address. Choose whatever you prefer. Western Union will send a verification email. Open the email and click or copy the verification link or code to confirm your account. Once your email is verified, log to your new account. Go to My Profile or Complete Profile section. Enter additional details such as address, phone number. Enter your full name as it appears on your government issued ID, date of birth, then save the change. If you plan to send money, you can link your bank account, credit card, or debit card in the payment method section. Follow the instruction to securely add your details. Your Western Union account is now ready. You can send or receive money, check transaction history, and more directly from your dashboard. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.